What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be deep diving on a set of softbox lights that I picked up from Neewer. And what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Phil and I make short films using my iPhone. And today we are going to be deep diving on some softbox lights that I picked up from Amazon made by Neewer. Now, once again, if you're new to the channel, I make these short films using my iPhone, and I started on this journey of making films about 1.5 years ago. And as time progressed and I spent more time researching and learning, lights were definitely on the top of my list when it came to looking at an upgrade. As of right now, when I made the past videos and some of the video shoots that I used, I had a set of umbrella style lights, which, like I said, they were great, but one of the biggest problems with those type of lights when it comes to filming commercials or interviews is you get a lot of bleed, because it's not focused and homed in one spot. So when looking through online and all the videos that I came across, picking up some softbox lights really made sense. Lighting is definitely a key aspect to making any type of movie, films, whatever it may be that you're trying to accomplish. Lights can really go a long way. And so, I want to take this opportunity and review these lights, kind of give you my thoughts. I had an opportunity to shoot an interview with a good friend of mine, and it came out great. They really did what I wanted them to do. And so we're going to just take time and I'm going to kind of go through some of the settings, and some of the features that these lights come. And I really hope that you enjoy this time. First, I wanted the ability to have dimmable lights. Now, if you've been around lights before, or you've seen a different variety, the ones that I had were just straight up fluorescent bulbs that you would plug in and hook up the umbrella. And so they did not have the ability to be dimmable. So the advantage of having something like that is that you don't have to constantly be moving your lights around. You don't have to move a light a little bit further if you want less of a shadow, whatever it may be. And so when I was really researching it, that was something that was important to me, because now with these new lights that I'm using right here, I have my my key light, which is the most important light, which is the source of light right here, and it's at a strength right here. And then I have my fill light that's coming from the other side right here, and as you can see, it's softer. I got more coming on this side and I got less on this side. So a lot of people would say that that's a very cinematic look. It's always something that whenever I watch videos out there, I see tutorials, everyone is always kind of talking about that. So it's something that I really wanted to have the ability, because now I have the lights positioned in fixed locations, and then all I have to do is use this controller, and I can essentially dim the lights to whatever I want. Now, this controller is really cool, and these lights are really cool because I have the ability to have 4 lights on this controller, and I can sit right here in front of my phone, and I can in real time just adjust the lights and get exactly the tone that I'm looking for. Now, the second thing that I looked for is the ability to adjust color temperature. Now, once again, going back to the lights that I had, they were fluorescent bulbs. You essentially just attached them and that was the color you got. You know, if you needed to do any type of adjustments, you would have to use some type of gels or some type of contraption that would be able to allow you to manipulate the color of the light. So when doing research, I wanted that ability, and these are really cool because it gives you the option to essentially do a color temperature from 3200 all the way to 5600. So 5600. So it gives you that a nice array of color temperatures that, you know, are going to be the environments that I'm going to be filming in. You know, whether I want that tungsten kind of, you know, yellowish light, I can do that with these right here. And if I want these daylight kind of style when I'm doing these type of videos, or if I'm doing an interview, you know, I'm going to be able to adjust them accordingly. So that's something that was really important to me too. Now, a bonus that I got with these lights is the capability of being able to have them be battery operated. Each of them take 2 batteries. If I decided to buy them, I could. They're not extremely expensive, but having lights that are versatile like that, you know, you don't necessarily need a power source if you have batteries, is going to allow me to use these lights pretty much anywhere I want. So that was definitely a bonus that I really enjoyed, and a lot of the lights I saw out there didn't have that ability at the price point that these lights came in at. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, if you are in the market to purchase some lights at an entry level, you really can't go wrong with these lights. I'm really happy with them, you know, for a set that's coming in for less than $150, that give you the ability to dim them, that gives you the ability to control the temperature and to be able to battery power them if you want. They come in a convenient travel bag that protects them and keeps them secure. And you know, I think I'm going to be very happy with these for quite some time, and I really look forward to using them in a whole bunch of different projects. But that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I'm wrapping it up. If you stayed to the end, thank you very much. Do me a favor and give me a like on these videos. You know, make sure you comment below. Tell me what kind of gear you're using. Tell me what kind of lights you've purchased. You know, give me some feedback on these videos. I'll really, you know, my goal with this channel is really to be able to, you know, grow in this this journey of mine when it comes to making these films and videos. So I will check you guys out on the next one. Thanks a lot.